Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside electric precision screwdriver, ideal for repairing computers, tablets, laptops, smartphones and more. With integrated LED work light, 2 buttons for easy switching between electric clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation, with a 3 years warranty and included 20 bits 4mm. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. The bits, press this to plastic, we have the storage and of course included in the manual. Nice. Transparent plastic. You need 2 3A batteries included. Remove this protective paper for the batteries, and it doesn't matter if you are using the anti-clockwise or clockwise, the LED working light, it is on. We can hear in the motor, and you can use one of these magnetic bits. I have this hard drive. You can use it manually, or you can just press the button and manual just give a push, and then it will do all the remaining job to unscrew this screw. If it cannot unscrew or screw, give it a push and then it will start. I like it. Let's see if it can hold the screw. Perfect. You can do that manual or press, tight it. That was all. Wow, definitely you can screw with your hand very tight. I like it. It feels a premium product. I like the green with a black. And I think it is very useful to any precise job. If you want to disassemble, assemble something, fix at your home, electronics, tablet, laptops, smartphones, hard drive. Well, why you want to open a hard drive? No, you don't. If you open a hard drive, you will break it. It will not work anymore. So just for the video, I have tested on this hard drive. And I'm sure one of these 20 bits, it will be very suitable for you and do your job. Okay. I would like, of course, to be rechargeable, but for only 12 euros, I think the price is very low to have electric precision screwdriver. Well, what do you think, my viewers? Do you want something like that to have at your home and use it at the right time? For me, thumbs up, definitely. I will keep it and use it whenever and wherever I want, because it works with batteries, it is portable and you can use it anywhere. 12 euros. So, until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.